In this video, we use Desmos to compute the test statistic for an independent sample t-test. This is a fairly complicated fraction, and we start off by creating a simple fraction such as 1/2 to create a clearly defined numerator and denominator. Move the insertion point to the numerator, backspace over the existing 1, enter the numerator 6.78695 minus 7.44259. Then move the insertion point down to the denominator, backspace over the existing 2. Click on the square root button on the Desmos calculator to create a square root. We have some fractions in the denominator. To create the first fraction, enter a simple fraction such as 1/2. Move the insertion point to the numerator. Enter 1.97093. Click on the squared button on the Desmos calculator to square this. Move the insertion point to the denominator and enter 23. Now we need to create a second fraction that is still underneath the square root. You might try using the arrow key on your keyboard or the mouse, but if you use the mouse, be extra careful to stay under the square root. Plus, and then create another fraction which should be under the square root, such as 1/2. Move the insertion point to the numerator and backspace over the existing 1. Enter in 2.89172. Click on the squared button on the Desmos keyboard to square this value. Move the insertion point to the denominator to enter the value of 27. And now we have the value of the test statistic of -0.94771.